Hello guys, here we have a parcel. It's coming from one of my TikTok followers. Forgot his name. Let me show you the details. I will show you. I'm gonna read. Central African Republic. Where is that? Can't even see. Cosmos City. Where is Cosmos City? Anyway, it's fine. It's coming from Tabo. This is a parcel from Tabo. We're gonna go ahead and see. He's one of my TikTok followers. Alright guys, there we go. We have a machine. So now we have to connect the cable and then we'll take it from there. Okay, you know what? Let's connect the charger. Okay. The charger has been connected. It's not turning on. Let me try another charger. Okay, still it's not turning on. So what do? We remove everything step by step. I'll tell you once it's done. Oh, so it's done. Yeah, I'll keep it hot drive. I'm all to fuck more late. Alright, let's check. Do we have power on the spot? So step number one. Skip. You take your multimeter. Make sure you're on the DC voltage mode. And then you check for the 19 volt. Take one probe to ground. And then you touch the 19 volt. Yeah. Skip. Don't install. Use the recommended setting. Alright guys, we have a problem. I don't know what is going on here, but there is no power on the DC. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. You know what? Let's do a cold scanning. Switch your meter to continuity mode. Then let's check the current sensor. Do we have a short? Okay, guys, this board is working. Let me show you what you check. You do a physical inspection, and under the physical inspection on this board, there is nothing. So what do you check next? You check your charger for the 19 volts. Let's check our charger for the 19 volts. Hello.
Hi, I'm just checking if you're still coming.
Yes. I haven't left the office. I saw them, and I'm doing my last job. Yes.
No problem.
Yes, I'll give you a call then.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Oh, let's check our charger. Do we have the 19 volts? Switch to DC voltage. Something's wrong. Sish, let me give you a USB for my drivers. Yes, we do have the 19 volts. Okay. I believe we have a short. Something is shorting. Let's check the charger again. Okay. Yeah, we do have a short. Yes. Yeah. The battery. I changed long time this one. Yeah. Alright guys, this is a DC in jack, and this is where your charger connects. It starts from here, and this is the 19 volts, and when you follow this, it goes through a thing and then passes through here, the first MOSFET. But it seems like we have a short. I don't know where. We have a short. Okay, let me explain this. Let me explain this. I'm gonna try to be slow as possible. Listen to this. Okay, guys, let me explain what is going on here. You have a port. Oh, what is this now? I'm trying to draw. I want to draw. Oh, undo a pen. Okay, no, it's too big. We have a pot. Alright, we have a port, we have a charging port like this, right? After a charging port, we have a diode. Okay? We have a diode. Let's go straight to ground. We have a diode going straight to ground. And then connect to ground like this. This is my ground. Oh, okay. After that, after a port, after that, we have what? We have the first MOSFET. Don't laugh at my components. This is the first MOSFET with 4 pins and 4 pins on the other side. We have capacitors here, ceramic capacitors smoothing down the power. We have ceramic capacitors smoothing down the power. And we have a second MOSFET. This is a second MOSFET. These are the 4 pins from the second MOSFET. After the second MOSFET, what do we have? We have the current sensor. This is a current sensor. It's always R010 or R020. It depends. So when you connect the power here from the charge, like initially there's a short. The moment you connect, you get a short straight to ground. Your charger goes to 0 volts. You saw me checking the charger, right? It goes straight to 0 volts. Where do you think the short is coming from? You know what? I don't like this paint thing. This paint thing is very ugly. But the short is coming from here, from these components here. Let me use a different color. The short is coming from these components here. Okay, there's no short here on R010. Press install. Select all and then install. Select all first and install. Okay, let me find another paint. Don't save. Okay, there we go. Let me repeat again. We have a charger, a charging port. This is a charging port with the pin inside. After a charging port, we have the power going into the board. This power have some ceramic capacitors connected to what? Connected to ground. This is our ground. You know our ground, right? This is our power. We have another ceramic capacitors connected to what? Connected to ground. This is ground. Okay, let me draw another ceramic capacitor here. Connected to ground, and on these ceramic capacitors there's a diode. The diode blocks the power from going straight to ground. Oh wait, I made a mistake. You know guys, sorry man, I made a mistake. That diode It's not facing that side. It's blocking the power from this side. No, blocking the power from going this side. I believe so. I'm gonna double check. It's connected to ground. Where is anode and cathode on this diode? I don't care. But the way it is, anode and cathode. So after this ceramic capacitor, after this diode, what do we have? We have ceramic capacitors. We have more ceramic capacitors. Okay, connected to ground. We have another one, maybe right here, connected to ground. After that, we have the first MOSFET with 4 legs connected together. We have another 4 dots here, and this one, the photon is gate, is separated from the 3, and then they connect with another one with the second MOSFET. Same story. Maybe dots can be here. It depends on how they are aligning them. And the fourth one will be gate, obvious. This means these 3 are connected, and they connect right here. The output will be this one, and you will have the current center written R010 R something, and then this side here is goes on the board. The 19 volts would be here, right? So here we have your charging port connected to ground on one side, and other side is connected to 19 volts. So the story here is when I touched this, there was a short. I touched this and there was a short. When I touched this guy here, there was a short to ground. And when I was connecting my charger straight here, there was a short. My charger will go to protection mode even though there was no light, but after I measured the charger, it was 0 volts. But if I unplugged it and then plug it again, it was 19 volts. But the moment I connect it into a PC, it goes to 0 volts. Okay, so which was telling me that the issue was around here. Short was around here. Let's go back and explain why I'm saying that, and I know what is causing the problem. I will take a guess and say the issue is the diode. The diode is the bad guy. Okay, this is a DC in, as I was saying. This is a diode connected to ground. This is a anode, and this is cathode. Cathode is the bad guy. There it is, PD 420. 421 is the bad guy. This is the bad guy. We need to take out this guy, and this is shorted, but this one is fine, but this one is shorted as well, and there's a short here. After this, there is no short. I even checked here, there was no short. This is how it is: the first MOSFET, the second MOSFET, and R010, the current sense. Let's see this one. It's R020, but I told you that it can't be R010 or R020. It's the current center. Just have a look. You know what? Let's go ahead. Let's check out the bad guy. Our suspect is the diode. Okay, now let's check the thing diode. So what you do, you take a multimeter and you put it into continuity mode. And what do you know? This guy is shorted. Let's find another one. Alright guys, now let's check. Now short. We need a CMOS battery, so I'm gonna take one with some proper voltage. So we have to check the CMOS battery, because if it's low, yeah, this is fine. 2.9 volts, that's 3 volts, it's perfectly fine. You see now, Chabo is bringing his cockroaches here in Durban, all the way from Gauteng to Durban. And this kind of cockroaches are very dangerous. You know, Gauteng cockroaches are very, very, very bad. They're very dangerous. Now Chabo is bringing them here in Durban. We don't want them here. They should stay that side in Gauteng, not here in Durban. Chabo, I'm very angry at you, man. You are bringing Gauteng cockroaches this side. Guys, can you believe this guy? Guys, can you believe Tabo? I'm putting it back together because I'm sure that the board has been fixed. I'm sure. Mfethu ngamncisha-ke imali ne uzobaseleka ne oyamlaya mfethu hayi ungibasela kanjani mfethu lamjida mfethu ngamnika ngamboleka imali mfethu yabo. Yes, it's turning on. Do we have a display for Tabo? Do we have a display for Tabo on TikTok? This time. There we go. It's working. Hope Tabo will be very happy. From all the way to Gauteng. He found me on TikTok.